This is the week 2 of our NSBL Lumina Care Champion Series. First game for tonight is In-Car Auto Care versus Rock Serrano Studios. First fight for both teams at the center court, please. We're going to start the game now. Referees for tonight is Jaren and Stuart.
Alam mo po yung how it is po?
Oo, dati na ako nag-ano.
Okay, sige po.
Bali, naka-record na yan?
Yes po.
Oh, okay.
So starting five for Rock Serrano Studios. Number 15, JD Santos. Number 7, Steven Cameron. Number 10, Jasper Li-Fi. Number 21, Kaiden Hula, and number 13, Ed Vestua. For In-Car Auto Care is number 5. Number 5 is Sean Pineda. Number 9, Jun Pidonia. Number 27, Julio Ukaya. Number
Yes po.
6, Michael Magtanong. And it's, who else is the starting five? And it's number 2, Brett Fontanilla. Referees for tonight again, it's Stuart and Jaren. Hey, let's go.
Good?
First possession belongs to Rock Serrano Studio. Hula drive. In and out. So miss. Unlucky. Rebound by Matt Bustamante. Pineda fires the triple. No good. Li-Fi secures the board for Rock Serrano Studio. Transition pass to Hula. Lays it up and in. Rock Serrano Studios up the board now. Scoring the first 2 points of the game. Magtanong with the ball. Magtanong, kick ball. Possession remains with In-Car Auto Care. Putting the shot clock. Michael to Bidonia. Uses the last veteran shot by Jun Bidonia. Patented move by Kuya Jun. Rula. Cameron back to Rula. To JD. Wide open tray. Yes, sir! Pineda with the ball. 1-1 against JD. Floats it up. In and out. Unlucky. Rebound. Li-Fi. Forward pass to Rula. Rula, no pass to JD. What a pass! JD 2 points. Rock Serrano up by 5. 7 is the score. Fontanilla to Pineda. Swings it to Okaya. To Bidonia inside. Back to Okaya. To Brent. 8 on the shot clock. Brent, screen by Magtanong. Denied by Vestua. What a defense by Vestua, but possession remains with In-Car. So clear possession, 14 on the shot clock for In-Car. Sean attacks the basket, drives, contact. There's a foul underneath the basket. Foul is on number 7. Steven Cameron, first personal foul, first team foul. First free throw is good for Sean Pineda. Cutting the lead to 4 for In-Car. 2 out of 2 for Sean Pineda. Lead is 3 for Roxana Studio. Rula is at the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi in trouble. Possession will remain with Roxana Studios. Roxana dodges the bullet there. Almost a turnover for Roxana. JD going on the ball to Rula. Travel and violation committed by Rula. Turnover for for Roxana Studio. Montanilla with the ball, looking for a teammate to Sean. Sean against Restua, fires the long two. No good, rebound. Miscommunication between two Roxana Studio teammates. Possession remains with Incar with 14 on the shot clock. Pidonia will inbound. Pass to Pineda. Montanilla takes. Montanilla strike from behind, but it's a foul. Foul is on number 21, hence foul on number 21. Kaiden with the first personal foul, second team foul. So Brent will go to the charge strikes for 2 free throws. For our viewers inside the stadium, you can join our raffle for t-shirt and our voucher. First free throw is open for Brent. So to our friends and families, you can win a t-shirt and a voucher courtesy of Silo. Just sign up near the bleacher. 1 out of 2 for Brent Montanilla. Splitting his free throw. The lead is 2 for Incar Orcare. For Roxana Studios, rather. Rula looking for a teammate. Rula takes it out to Cameron, long 2, no good. Rebound Rula. Bidonia with a great hand. Great defense. Possession remains with Sabrep. Possession remains with Roxana. Substitution rep. Gansone Al-Kaadi checks in. Santos and Restua checks out for Roxana Studios. 13 on the shot clock for Roxana. Ganson to Lifeline. Rula fake inside pass to Al-Kaabi. Uses the pass. What a pass by Rula to Al-Kaabi. 4-point lead for Roxana Studio. Traveling violation committed by Incar. Extra step according to our referee. Great vision for our referees tonight. Our officials tonight is Stewart and Jerry. Rula against De Leon. De Leon is in the ball game now. Shot no good. Rebound Rula. Put back by Rula, no good. Rebound by Rula. Put down again. Still no good. Rebound Bidonia. Bidonia to Sean. Sean to De Leon. De Leon to Bidonia. Grant with the ball. Back to Bidonia. Long 2. No good, that's a screen, no good. Rebound Pineda. Fresh 14 for Incar. Magtanong with the ball. Pass to De Leon. De Leon throws it up. Short. Rebound Cameron. Cameron forward pass to Rula. Blocking foul. Is the ball on number 6. Magtanong. First personal foul, first team foul. 3 minutes and 30 in the first quarter. Substitution rep. Bidonia for 3 foul. Steven is in the ball game now. Ganson with the ball. Pass to Lifeline inside. Marcos is way inside for the score. 2 points for Lifeline. 11-5 is the score in favor of Roxana Studio. Pineda drops it up to Magtanong. Baseline jumper, too strong. Rebound by Al-Kaabi. Forward pass to Rula. 1-on-1 against Magtanong. Warding off, offensive foul is the overall referee for foul number 21. Great vision for ref. Rula second personal foul, third team foul on Roxana Studio. 2 minutes and 38 in the first quarter. Montanilla to De Leon. De Leon, pass deflected by Al-Kaabi. Great defense by Al-Kaabi. To the streaking Rula and Chilea is there. 13-5 is the score. Turnover again for Incar. Miscommunication between the purple shirt. Ganson, Corona, corner three. Yes, sir! 3-pointer is good for Cardinal Luna. The lead is now double figures for Rapture and Suino. De Leon to Magtanong. Magtanong, bothered by Cameron. Rebound Cameron. Cameron pushing up the pace. Drives and score all the way to the basket for Steven Cameron. 18-5 is the score in favor of Roxanne Studio. De Leon denied by Al-Kabi. Great defense by Alashar Al-Kabi. 17 on the shot clock for Incar Orocare. Pineda first the triple. Yes, sir! 3-pointer is good for Sean Pineda. The lead is 10 for Roxanne Studio. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 17. Samuel De Leon, first personal foul, second team foul. Ganson to Rula. Last 40 seconds. Rula stealing the defense. Floater is good for Rula. Six seconds different. Melvin with our shot clock in game back. Montanilla to De Leon. De Leon first the triple. Short. Rebound. Cameron. Cameron. Then the pass to Abi. Last touch on Roxanne. Last 8 seconds. Last 6 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Magtanong. Hoymaida to beat the buzzer. Steven to beat the buzzer. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score 20 for Roxanne Studios and 8 for Incar Orocare.
This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. We got more. The members of the Basketball League is bringing the Limited Care Champion Series 2026. Who will rise playing the crown and challenge the battle together. Vision, not take a big shot to receive his winning exposure. Limited Care is the major sponsor of this season's NCL tournament. Limited Care, deliver compassionate support and personalized guidance from the great Helping voices of Victoria and property. You run the home. Prison mortgages. Create your forever home and bring your dream.
So back to the ball game. Second quarter possession belongs to Incar Orocare.
Trust your teammates. Talk on offense too, boys.
Okay, second quarter is on the way. Incar down by 10.
Hey, some screens, some screens.
Sorry, official score, it's 20-10. De Leon, baseline jumper is good for Samuel De Leon. Rula to Restua. Restua to Santos. Santos wide open three. A good rebound line five. To Rula fakes. Dancing with Montanilla. Back it up to Santos. Slow turn, no good. Rebound line five. There's a foul. Rush 14 for Roxanne Studio. Pull up for three, no good. Rebound, it's with Restua. Restua keeping it alive for Roxanne Studio. Restua to Life to Huda. Great ball movement. Roxanne Studio. Leading to an easy basket for Roxanne. Pineda drives, blocked by Johnson. Traveling violation committed by Incar. Restua to Hula. Hula splits the defense. Spins. Drops it up to Johnson. Overshoots. Rebound. Turnover. Steven to De Leon. De Leon parts the triple. Short. Rebound Restua. Restua intercepted by Pineda. Pineda drives. Pineda scores. Lead is 8 for Roxanne Studio. Life-Eye with the ball. Life-Eye turns it over. No, Life-Eye returns the ball for Isaiah. Great hustle for Jasper Life-Eye. Still a double figure lead for Roxanne Studio. Pineda. Jumper money. Hula with the ball. One-on-one against Pineda. Kicks it out to JD. JD. Practice shooting. No good. Rebound. De Leon. De Leon. Pull out it up. No good. Rebound. Ganson. Ganson. Tingnan the tempo. To Hula. To JD. Restua with the ball. Taps from behind from De Leon. Recovered by Restua. To Life-Eye. Life-Eye to Hula. Jumper no good. Rebound to Maula. Rebound by Steven. To De Leon. De Leon attacks the basket. Denied by Ganson. Rejection by MG Ganson. Santos. To Life-Eye. Life-Eye inside. Alexis. Muscle inside. Time out left. Time out left. Time out. What a rally by Roxanne Studio. 6 minutes and 22 remaining in the second quarter. Official score 26 for Roxarano and 16 for Incar Autocare.
This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because we do basketball is. Bringing it. This is how the Luminary Care Champions Series
10, bring it in.
Okay, back to the movie. Incar Autocare down by 10. Kaya first the triple. Overshoots. Rebound Cameron. Cameron to Hula. Hula dancing with Pineda inside the store. JD. Fade away. JD money for JD Santos. De Leon to Pineda. Pineda denied. But he got a piece of the hand. Foul is on number 8. Alastar Al-Kaabi. First personal foul, first team foul for Roxanne Studio. So Pineda will go to the free throw line for 2 free throws. First free throw is good for Sean Pineda. Two out of 2 for Sean Pineda. Double figure for Roxanne Studio. JD with the ball. around to Hula. Fake, moves closer. Loads it up, too strong. First 14 for Rapsolano, producer Alcabi. Alcabi for 3. No good, rebound. Bedonia. Bedonia to De Leon. De Leon to Pineda. Pineda drives. Contact. Foul underneath the basket. Foul is on number 6. Foul is on Magtanong. Second personal foul. Second team foul. So again, Pineda will go again to the free throw line for 2 free throws. First free throw is good for Sean. 11-point lead now for 9-point lead brother. 2 out of 2 for Sean Pineda. Last 3 minutes in the second quarter. Bula passes Santos. 10 seconds on the shot clock. JD to Alastar. To MJ. 5 on the shot clock. Intercepted by Sean Pineda. Pineda running on the court all the way to the basket for 3. Malinis step down to 6. Ganson. Shot no good. Rebound. Pineda. Here comes Incar Oracle. De Leon challenges the defense of Santos. No good. Rebound Santos. Santos Sula 1-on-1 against Pineda. Inside pass to Ganson. What a fine scores by MJ Ganson. Back to an 8-point lead. De Leon. De Leon. Offensive foul. Warning up. Incar. Substitution red. Foul is on number 17. Second personal foul on De Leon. Third team foul. Pineda checks out. Continue with the 3. The lead is 8. Incar up by 8. Oh, sorry, Rapsolano Studios up by 8. Watson to Cameron. Baseline jumper. Money for Cameron. Montanilla with the ball. Montanilla drives. Contact. No good. Just a foul on the floor. Foul is number 8. Alcaabi, second personal foul, second team foul. So Brent will shoot 2 free throws for Incar. Chance for Incar to cut down the lead. First free throw is good for Brent Montanilla. Two out of 2 for Brent. MJ to Alcabi. Cameron to Hula. Hula to Santos. Corner 3. Hands in his face. No good. Rebound. Intercepted Hula. MJ throws it up. No good. Rebound. Bedonia. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 7. Cameron, some personal foul. 13 foul. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Starting out on the baseline. That's the end of the first half. Official score 32 for Rapsolano Studio and 24 for Incar Ortega.
Basketball action. This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because we go north. Northern Phillies Basketball League is bringing you participating Lumina Care Champions Series 2026. To round up, Blue Brothers does home the practice and
Well.
to find out the game. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a beat to this proven Lumina Care. Lumina Care is with a major
Okay, back to the ball game. Third quarter possession belongs to Rapsarano Studios. Okay. Third quarter is on the way. Line 5 for 3. Bounce away. Straight. Off the break. Booming dribble for line 5. Steven. Put it up. Knock down for Steven. Man-to-man defense for Inverno player. Slide by score! Pineda to De Leon. De Leon, floater short. Rebound by Magtano. Magtanita for 3 short. Rebound, Live by to Santos. Santos slows it down. Ganson for Santos. Restua for 2. Covered rebound. Isabel Levi. Put back covered rebound. Isabel Magtanong. De Leon forward pass to Montanilla. What a pass. The lead is 9 over Rapsarano Studios. Live pass to Cameron, baseline jumper, money for Cameron. Back to double figure hit for Rapsarano Studios. De Leon to Pineda. Pineda, floater, short, rebound Restua. Restua to Santos. Santos with a ball. Wisely slows it down, gives the ball to Restua. Restua to Ganson. Live by for 3. Back to the table. Just ready by line. The big man can shoot from the outside. De Leon with the ball. De Leon in trouble. Pass to Grant is too strong. Miscommunication between two in-car players. Timeout, in-car out of play. 7 minutes and 17 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Timeout by in-car.
This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive.
Ball. Okay, back to the ball game. So back to the ball game. Possession is with Rapsarano Studios. Santos, top of the cake tray. Yes, sir! It's raining threes for Rapsarano Studios. De Leon will answer short, rebound line 5. Santos to Restua. Cross-court pass to line 5. Line 5 sees an opening. Layup is good for Justin line 5. Jasper is on the roll. De Leon sees an opening. Left the layup is short, rebound. Foul. foul is on number 10. Just Pick Li-Fi. First personal foul, first team foul on Rap Serrano Studios. Steven Molina green card. De Leon, corner three is good. 3-pointer is good for Samuel De Leon. Ganson to Li-Fi. Li-Fi inside pass to De Leon. What a find by the big man. Inside pass to Cameron for a reverse layup. Pineda drive short for the layup. Rebound Cameron. There's 2-1 to Ganson. Forward pass to Santos. Transition up and receiving for Rap Serrano Studios. 51-31, 20-point lead for Rap Serrano Studios. Blocking foul on Rap Serrano, number 6, substitution there. Ganson, first personal foul, 17 foul. Mauga for Bidonia. Ganson for Hula. First two for Al-Kaabi. De Leon. Pineda for the three. Pineda, the grab for the car. Stolen by Pineda. De Leon fake. Foul underneath. It's number 10, pushing foul on Li-Fi. Second personal foul and third team foul on the team. Verse 14 for Lincoln. 51-34 is the score. Magtanong, floater, no good. Put back by De Leon, no good. Last touch on Rap Serrano Studios, so possession will remain with Inter Autofair. De Leon to Pineda. Pass to De Leon. De Leon, corner Gray, short. Rebound Rula. Rula. Off to the races. Uses the pass for a layup. De Leon to Brent. Sloppy play for Inter. Turnover is spinning Inter Autofair. 3 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Al-Kaabi to Cameron. Cameron to Li-Fi. Li-Fi thinking about taking the three. Still take it. No good. Rebound De Leon. Pass to Al-Kaabi. Turnover. Possession will remain with Inter Autofair. Pineda with the ball. To De Leon. Cross-court pass to Pentanilla. Screen by Magtanong. Pineda, long two. Money for Pineda. Rula. Inside pass to Li-Fi. Li-Fi steals. Reverse layup, no good. Rebound. Pentanilla. De Leon, one-on-one against Cameron with the Euro. Layup is good for De Leon. Last 2 minutes in the third quarter. Rula dancing with Bidonia, Stulan with Bidonia. Forward pass to De Leon. No look pass to Fontanilla. Fontanilla. Good for 2 points. Good. Possession remains with Rap Serrano. 21 on the shot clock. JD to Rula. Back to JD. Rula moves closer. Bounces up to Li-Fi. Giving ball back to Rula. Score. Lead is 15. Fontanilla for 3. No good. Rebound Magtanong. Magtanong to Bidonia. Bidonia. No good. Technical foul. The call of our referee on number 8, Al-Kaabi. 14 foul for Rap Serrano Studios. So technical free throw will be given to Jun Bidonia. The lead is 15 for Rap Serrano Studios. Technical free throw is good for Jun Bidonia. 14 on the shot clock. Pineda, foul on the floor again. Penalty left. Foul is on number 8. No penalty. 5 team fouls left. 5 team fouls left. Foul is on number 8. Al-Kaabi. So we're in the penalty, so Pineda will shoot 2 free throws. That's the end of the third quarter. First free throw shoot short for Pineda. Another one given to Pineda. 1 out of 2 for Sean Pineda. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score 55 for Rock Serrano Studios and 42 for Incar Orchid. 13-point lead. Okay, back to the ball game. The lead is 13 for Rock Serrano Studios. This is the last and final quarter of the week 2. Our second game for tonight is be ready. Taxmart Cafe versus Yolanda House. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Incar Orchid. Incar down by 13. Fontanilla, Castro de Leon. Possession remains with Incar. Last touch on Cameron. De Leon to Pineda. Back to De Leon. To Brent. Swings it to Pineda for 3. Yes, sir! Back. The lead is cut down to 10 for Incar Orchid. Ganson. Committed by Ganson. Great defense for Incar. Chance for Incar to cut down the lead to single digits. De Leon to Brent. Brent to Pineda. Pineda long 2. Money for Pineda. And the lead is cut down to 8. Plenty of time left. What a rally by Incar. Muna with the ball, bounce it out to Li-Fi for the score. Li-Fi starts to stop the drought for Rock Serrano Studios. De Leon close it up, now goes with the camera. Mula transition bucket is good. Back to a 12-point lead. De Leon to Brent, wide open 3. Too strong, rebound, Bidonia. Bidonia to Brent, floater is good for Brent Fontanilla. Li-Fi to Rula, turns the ball over. Fontanilla, layup is good for Fontanilla, back-to-back bucket for Fontanilla. And the lead is cut down to 8 once again. Li-Fi to JD. Wisely slows it down. MJ speeds to Cameron. Cameron to Rula. Rula takes. Kicks it out to Santos. 3 seconds on the key. Too long inside the key. 3 seconds violation for Rock Serrano. Great defense for Incar. De Leon. Pineda, left wide open, short, rebound Cameron. To Rula. Rula challenges the defense of Magdalon. Blocked by Magdalon. Possession remains with Rock Serrano Studios. 59-51 in favor of Rock Serrano Studios. 6 minutes and 58 left. Rula elbow jumper, no good, rebound Pineda. Pineda Forward pass intercepted by Wi-Fi. Great hustle by Justin Wi-Fi. And JD. JD bounces it off to Cameron. What a pass by JD to the streaking Cameron. The lead is back to 10. De Leon from the logo. No good. Rebound. Rula splits the defense for a layup. Yes, Rula. The lead is 12. 6 minutes and 14. Montanilla asking for a clear out. Montanilla to Magtanong. Magtanong throws it up, short rebound, ends up with Sidonia. Turner MJ is short rebound, light five. Forward pass again to Rula for an easy transition back. The lead is 14. Sean, strong right to the basket. Contact, he gets fouled. He scored. He's going to the line for two. For one, rather. Foul is on number 10. Live five, third personal foul, first team foul. He's going to... Chance for end one for Pineda. Substitution rep. Steven for Michael Town. Bidonia for Okaya. 5 minutes and 14 remaining. 12-point lead by Rapsalam Studios. So, bonus free throw for Sean. Sean completes the end one. That's the lead to 11. Just fit to Hayden. JD to MJ. Cameron to Li-Fi. Left wide open. Bang! Do not believe that. Big man wide open. Yep. Mula to JD. Ganson, jumper. Money for Ganson. Pineda to Fontanilla, jumper, short, rebound, Cameron. Mula, big hustle, heads up play, pass it up to Davy Santos. Leon, up from behind. Sub-rep. Steven to Sean. Okaya, corner tray. Too strong, behind. Life out. Mula. Pass deflected, recovered by Rula. Rula, right away Jay. Money force, fighting Rula. 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Pineda, elbow jumper, in and out, rebound Steven. Kaya to Fontanilla. Fontanilla behind the dribble, floater is good for Brent Fontanilla. .8 for Rapsalam. Rula under duress. Foul on the floor. Foul is number 2, Brent Fontanilla. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 minutes and 42 remaining in the last quarter. Restua, back to Li-Fi for Gray. No good this time. Rebound for Kaya. Kaya to Pineda. Pineda drops it up to De Leon. De Leon, floater. Floater is good. That's the call there. Timeout. Who's called the timeout there? Rapsalam Studios. 2 minutes and 29 remaining in the last quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. Just returning on the ball. Miscommunication, sub. 2 minutes and 28 remaining. De Leon, corner three, short. Rebound De Leon. Foul is on number 10, Justin Lifeline. That's 4 on Lifeline, second team foul on Roxanne Studio. Steven for three, short. Substitution left. Al-Kaabi for substitution left. Santos for Al-Kaabi. Two minutes and 14 remaining in the last quarter. Rula. Lauter is good for Kaidan Rula. De Leon, Lauter, no good, rebound, Lifeline. Last 2 minutes. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 2, Fontanilla. Second personal foul, second team foul. 1 minute and 57 remaining in the last quarter. Rula to camera. To Lifeline. Lifeline to Restua. Restua, jumper over, shoots from down. Baktanong. Fontanilla, stop for three. No good, rebound. Lifeline. To Restua. Restua forward pass to Al-Kaabi. Al-Kaabi first the triple. No good. Rebound secured by Pineda. Fontanilla short on the layup. Rebound. Last touch on Lifeline. Magtanong to Fontanilla for three. Short. Rebound. Last touch on Steven J. Morgan. Restua with the ball. Hammer. Al-Kaabi. Pass to Cameron. Cross-court pass to Lifeline. Lifeline first the triple. Yes, sir. What a night for Justin Lifeline. Last 56 seconds. Fontanilla for three. Yes, sir. Fontanilla with the three. Rula with the ball. Lauter no good. Rebound Pineda. De Leon for three. No good. Rebound Magtanong. Put back no good by Magtanong. Rebound. Last touch on Cameron. 15 shot back. Pineda. Lauter is good for Pineda. Al-Kaabi with the ball. Turnover. Pass by. Stolen by Magtanong. Fontanilla for three is good. Last 20 seconds. Shot clock is off. Last 2 for 3. Yes, sir! Tulak by Canada. Number steal by Steven. Last 5 seconds. De Leon. Layup is good for De Leon. That's the end of our first game. Roxanne Studios prevails over Inca Monokia with a score of 82